it is a scary time to buy a home. For most people, it is the largest financial decision you will make in your lifetime. You want to be able to minimize two factors: cost and regret. My name is Francisca Alonso, and I have been in the custom home building business for over 20 years. I'm here with Nathan Burch, and today we're going to discuss whether or not it's the right time to buy, and the answer might surprise you. Let's dive in.
My name's Nathan Burch with Vellum Mortgage. I am a mortgage lender based in Fairfax, Virginia. I've been in the mortgage industry for 23 years. More importantly, what I'm doing now as a loan officer is I counsel people about when I think it's the right time to buy. I have a lot of slides today that will talk a little bit about the economy, where we're going, what I think is happening, and how it affects people who are buying homes. The law of supply and demand literally runs everything, I think, in business and in life. And this just shows you that the millennials, the segment in red, are the biggest group of people ever in our population, bigger than the baby boomers even. They have put off home buying later than any other generation. First-time home buyers were typically 27-year-olds, and now they're 31 to 32. And the circle denotes at the top of the red that there are almost 5 million 32-year-olds, and there are just slightly less than that 31-year-olds. What we have, especially in the Washington, D.C. area, is a massive backlog of people who want to own a home and not nearly enough inventory. This is going to create demand for years and years to come, which is going to put real pressure on pricing and the ability to own a home.
We live in an area that is highly populated. As of 2020, 3.2 million people live in Northern Virginia because we have amazing job opportunities, we have great schools, we have amazing amenities, and this area is continuously growing. That means that land, it's only going to be more and more scarce. There is just a massive shortage of housing, and as a result, prices will continue to rise.
This is something else that ties into why there is increased demand for homes. In 2005, 4 million homes available for sale. And as of July of 2022, that's the most recent data that I have, it was down to 1.31 million homes in the entire country. So when you think about that, what does our local market look like? Our local market being the best for jobs, the best for income and wages. And people want to buy a home, maybe tear down a home and build a new one. So we're going to continue to have an inventory problem for the foreseeable future. And I think for many, many years.
A lot of people think that they can just go on Zillow or Redfin or something and just do a search and try to find property on their own. The thing is that a lot of the properties that we find for clients, they are off-market properties. So you wouldn't see those. When you do it this way, you don't have to go into a bidding war because you're not competing with all the people that found the property online with their agents. There are three main ways that we help our clients find a lot. First of all, we're looking for teardowns. It is most of the times cheaper to build on a teardown than to build on empty land. The second way that we help our clients find lots is by looking at our database of homeowners that have reached out to us as builders in the past, and they would like to not even put it on the market. We would connect you with that homeowner, and then you can just buy the house directly from them. And then the third way that we use to find a lot for our clients is by reaching out to our vast network of realtors that we collaborate with to help our clients find their lot so we can build them their dream house.
Again, I'm Nathan Burch with Vellum Mortgage. You can see me on the web, nathanburch.com. It's my first name, last name.com. And my phone number is 703-348-2166.
If you have more questions regarding financing, reach out to Nathan and set up a time to chat. If you'd like to learn more about custom home building cost, check out the link to our Learning Center in the description below. We have a bunch of articles in there that talk about this topic in depth. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content on custom home building.